Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? So guys, this video was highly requested to do a updated eyebrow tutorial, all right? And this, she changed her name. Her name is God's Anointed Daughter. She changed her name. She was Jamaican something before. She supports me a lot on YouTube, and before she said she wanted to see how I do my brows. So guys, we're gonna snatch these brows out the park. Remember, they're sisters, not twins, okay? So sometimes you're not gonna get them identical, but you're gonna get them close as possible. Optional, milk of magnesia. I use this because it has a matte finish, and I'm gonna just add a little bit, all right? But just before we do that, you need a mirror, close-up one. You need a tweezer, all right? And we're gonna, if you do it at the fancy place, it's okay. Just go ahead and shape them. But if not, I don't have much, so I'm just gonna shape the edges, all right? What you wanna do, you wanna go in and you wanna pluck all the loose hair. You can't fix up your brow and have hair all over. That no make no sense. All right, you're gonna get them all together. I don't have much. Can you see the little bit? You can use a regular black eyebrow pencil, but I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. It's a matte. You need a spoolie, and then you want to dip it in and you want to shape it out. I always shape the bottom out first. Just follow the shape of your brows, okay guys? Don't create no up and down and all around, okay? Don't bother with that. If you want it real neat, just follow the shape of your brow. And you want to do the same thing with the top. And now you just want to fill it in. And guys, if you don't want your brow this black, I have black here, so I want mine black. You can use a brown pencil. This is a brown. You can use brown, you can use whatever. When I reach right here now, I want to make some strokes like. And take your spoolie and then you want to just drag it out. You don't want it to pass like right in your eye corner there, all right? Just put the brush like that and you know to stop there. Don't go down there. Your eye passed. No, don't go so far. And for you to know where to stop, at the front you want to take it from the side of your nose or right in your eye socket. You put the spoolie like that, and basically you know that's where to stop it, all right? And if you want, you can just brush it in. I'm gonna use my foundation on the top a little bit, shake it, a little bit of foundation on the top, and then my Pro Concealer, or you can use your CoverGirl, or you can mix both. I'm gonna use it to clean up the bottom. Let me do it like that. So can you see it, guys? My color will be on the top and the lighter shade will be on the bottom. If you're gonna add eyeshadow, go ahead and put a lighter shade like 2, 3, 4 shades lighter. A little bit of brush like this with 2 flat edges, real flat, thin as possible. If you can't find no makeup brush like that, go to the Dollar Tree or dollar store and get you a paintbrush, and you get the thin small one. Take your time with this now, guys, don't rush it. There you go. Now you want to take a smaller brush and you're going to blend it out. And that's that. Now we're going to go to the lighter shade on the bottom. I like to put this eyelid primer, so let me just add a little bit. I'm going to use my finger. I'm gonna put some over here because I think it's too much. You just need a little bit. This will keep whatever you're gonna put on your eyelid, hold it in place. And drag it all around. You can tap it for it to dry. And that's it, voila, look at that. Now you want to always set your concealer, all right? You're gonna use a banana, CoverGirl, whatever setting powder you have at home, and you're gonna set it because you don't want it to crease out, and then you just put your regular makeup on and you go your way. All right, you add some mascara, eyeliner, and you're good to go. Yes, remember to set it, where is it? Set it with some setting powder if you're not adding any eyeshadow. But I'm gonna, or you can still set it and add your eyeshadow, but I want to make my eyeshadow pop, so I'm going to use my eyeshadow to set it. Make sure you have no crease. And guys, this is the final result. This is my updated brow tutorial. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am.